If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in Bellmead, Tennessee, man. We've been getting it in, man. Excuse me, I'm trying to adjust my camera, but man, we are actually working on the interior of the car right now. Man, it's a little dirty in here, but y'all already know, man. Ain't nothing we can't handle over here. Yo, Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. We got the van right there. But if you see, man, we here working on the interior. You see, you got plenty of dog hair, your typical debris, which is dog hair, rocks, pebbles, sticks, twigs, things like that. You know, we also got to make sure that we clean these seats thoroughly. You know what I mean? You see all that dog hair and debris hiding within the seat. Wipe down the dashboard, cup holder, doors like always. Get back here in the back. Do the same thing, vacuum, clean the seats, things like that. Let up the back, get back there, get in the back here. Excuse me. But get back here too, you know what I mean? See, we already working on this area, but we got the rest of this again. Knock that out. We already got the vacuum, the all-purpose out. We already did this side. You look, it literally was the same stuff, typical debris, rock sticks, twigs, but we got all that up, man. So on that note, we about to go ahead and finish on the other side. We got about 3-4 more appointments. So like I said, we're gonna finish. You see, it's already vacuumed over here. We're gonna work on that. That's a piece of gum. But other than that, man, we definitely got under the seats, things like that. We wiped down the seats. We definitely didn't do the cup holder and things like that, and we didn't wipe down the monitor, but we're gonna go ahead and do them things, man. But like I said, we're gonna continue working on the interior of the car, and then we're gonna get on the exterior of the car. So I hope y'all having a great day so far. So on that note, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. And if you're new to the channel, you already know what I'm gonna say. Hit that red button, man. It's free, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey. Detail World, what it do. Y'all might be a little upset with me today, but I didn't get to this exterior of the car. Wasn't able to get to this exterior of the car. It literally took me 3 hours. We got here at 9 o'clock. It is actually 12:46. It took me 3 hours and a half to do the interior of this car, man. So I'm about to go ahead and get out of here, man. Get to my next stop on time. You know what I mean? But we got the interior of the car looking great. Like I said, it took a time because there's so much dog hair literally everywhere, man. Like when I say literally everywhere, everything was extremely dirty in here. But we got it cracking, man. So I'm about to get ready to head to my next stop. Probably about 5-10 minutes from here. So I hope y'all doing great. I'm about to hop in the vehicle. But like always, man, I'm dedicated over here. So I hope you dedicate to whatever you're doing. On that note, I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today, man, which is this suburban high country that y'all always see, man. I didn't show y'all any pictures or any videos prior to, man, because I'm trying to hurry up. That first car literally held me back, so I'm literally an hour behind on my work today, but everybody cool with it. I'm about to head to my third stop right now. She's literally about 5 minutes from here, but I'm gonna grab some lunch, so I might let her know that. But we completely finished the whole car, got the whole interior of the car looking good, exterior of the car looking good, man. So she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work, because like I said, we take so much pride in what we do, man. So it makes it easy, man. When you take pride in what you do, it makes everything easy. So we definitely finna go ahead and park it. You see these monitors, wipe down the monitors, things like that. But other than that, we definitely finna continue this day. Have a great day. You know, doing the sour challenge with the kids. Got them doing that on their channel. But y'all already know how that go, man. So be great. And like always, peace. Detail World, what it do. We done made it to this third stop, which I said the last car was the third stop, but that's how long I've been out here. I thought I was on 3 cars. But we about to do this Porsche Cayenne. We're gonna knock out the exterior and interior of it. See, it's a little dirty, got some dirty floor mats in here, so we're gonna make sure we get in here and clean it up. Wipe down the seats as usual, do the interior windows, wipe down the whole console, things like that, dashboard, steering wheel, doors, do this exterior. But I'm working on this exterior right now because it's hot, it's starting to heat up. We got one more car to do after this, but after that, we'll be finished, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done finished this Porsche, man. Got the whole car done, in and out. It took a little time to get it done, but we got it done, man. About to head to the last stop. So remember, we had a little sand stains, sands everywhere, but we got everything done. Cleaned the doors, did the windows, wipe down all the upholstery, things like that. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and park in the garage, head to the next stop, and finish this day. I've got to take the son, get his haircut for his birthday, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, last appointment of the day, man. Been a great day. You know, like I always try to explain to y'all, man, it's glorious to be able to have this business, man. Like, you just don't know how hard it really is to run a business, man. It may seem easy, but it's really not. Just being very consistent with your customers. Have your customers understand what's going on. Like, I was running late today because it actually took me 3 hours to do the first car. I was supposed to be here at 3 o'clock. It's approximately like 5 o'clock, so I got here about 4:30, and I appreciate her, and I appreciate all my customers that really understand me running late. You know, the inconveniences I be causing them sometimes, man, you know, but once again, like I always tell y'all, man, take pride in whatever you do, man. No matter what you're doing in life, take pride. If you're a doctor, lawyer, musician, garbage man, lawn care, nail technician, babysitter, whatever it is, man, just take pride in it. I'm telling you, you will always see the results that you're looking for. Now, if you're just going through life not looking for results, you're just going with the flows, you won't see nothing. But I really admit, looking at this truck, if they took off that back part of this truck, like right there, man, that shit'll look so sick, bro. I swear to God. Like, take that off, that'd be hard. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and head home, man. Got a busy day. Like I say, my son's birthday this weekend, so I gotta take him, get some shoes, new bike, haircut, pay for the birthday party, things like that. But like always, take pride in what we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you do, man. Remember, always, man, stick to the script. Love thyself. You can't love anybody until you love yourself, and that even includes your kids and whoever else, man. So look for that love within yourself, and like always, man, peace.
If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.